Hello everyone, today I have another disk detainer log for you. It's the ABUS plus 8950, and as you can see I have two disk detainer picks on my table. This Barris tool for front tensioning and then this ABUS granite thingy for rear tensioning. And usually I would love to use this one, but on this log I really can't get any feedback. It's not that I could not tension it with that, but I just can't get any feedback from the discs. So this is out. And as soon as I use this one, I can get great feedback. And the thing is with this lock, it has 7 discs, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then in the front and in the rear it has a butterfly disc each. This is basically a 0 cut or a 6 cut in an ABUS cut, but let's call it 0 cut. But it can move a bit further than all the other discs. The limiters are different for the movement of the discs. And the only 0 cut in this lock is the second to last disc here. And this one you need to tension off to get the lock open in the end. Of course, you could tension off it all the time and then do a mid-tensioning thingy, but this is not working out for me, or I don't have a tool to do that. So I go for rear tension and tension of the butterfly disc. The key works, it's key retaining, and you can get it afterwards. So let's first turn all discs as far clockwise as they go, and I'll go in the back, and now I'm on the butterfly disc, and on a normal disc, let's show you actually. So now I'm in the middle of the stack, and I can't move my tool further than this. And if I go on the butterfly disc in the back, I can move it a bit further, and this is increased movement of the butterfly disc. Let's get to picking. It's quite nice, the scales works out quite good. You can find the disc with the numbers and so on, but these numbers, they don't line up with that. So, but get this out of the frame anyhow. I don't want to have a look on it while picking. Get you focused, and let's start picking. So, on the number 4, I can go up and down basically. So this is my 0. Let's tension. So this is a butterfly disc, and here's the first disc. Engage. Second disc also engage. Third disc, no feedback. Let's leave it. Fourth disc, engage. Fifth, engage. Sixth feels like it's engage. It's a 0 cut. And not so much feedback on this one. Maybe here. So let's go up again. This gate feels finer or better. Okay, let's leave this one here. Feels good. This feels already like an engage. This definitely feels like a false gate. Yeah, that's what a true gate feels like. Same here, I guess. Yeah, that's now in true gauge. Let's see. Feels good. Feels also quite good. Okay, maybe here. So a zero cut. Let's leave it and check for the last disk. Where is it? There. Maybe here. So now let's tension off the second to last disk and move the butterfly disk into the gate. I think I did it already, but the lock did not open, so something's not in the gate yet, or in the correct gate. Let's check the one down here first. Maybe here. Let's just quickly check again. No. Oh! I just slipped from the disk. Or did I? Yeah. So now, oh, yeah, it felt like it. So, yeah, got it open. Nice. So let's get the tool out. I think I have to lock it back up, otherwise no chance to get it out. Okay, cool. It's got it. There's a flip set screw in here. And 2 ball bearings. No, remove the focus. Okay, and what you can do now is lock it back up, because you need to get the key out, and then you can unscrew this using the key or whatever. The ball bearings I just removed, they sit in here and they drop into a slot like this, and they stop you from rotating it and just pulling it out. Tweezers. So first is an anti-drill. I'll just put it here, it's not picking related. And then let's see if I can just grab the whole core out. Yeah. Okay. So here's the sidebar. Oh. and you can see all the gates moving and allowing the sidebar to drop in. And yeah, let's try to get how to get them out best. Maybe like this. Why not? So there's one more of the disc on here now. Whoop. And one butterfly disc in the back. So let me quickly arrange them. I'll just put the wafers on over here because they're all the wafers, let's call them spaces maybe. They're all the same. Order is now important, of course. And I'm sure I will flip some of those. But I'll get it back together in the end using the key. Whoop. Maybe not the best way to do it. Okay. So here are all the discs. Let's see what is blinding you. No. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 discs, and then 2 butterfly discs. And yeah, butterfly discs, as mentioned, are basically a zero cut. And this is our second to last disc, must be upside down. So this is also a zero cut. And what you see here is the movement limiter, like this edge here, right? This goes, or it knocks against this one here. So it can rotate 360 degrees or so. And if you compare a butterfly disc with a normal disc, you will see that a butterfly disc, this limiter is different. Like, let's put them on the left edge together. And then you see it can move quite a bit further. And therefore it can be a zero cut. But yeah, due to this, it can move further, and then you cannot really tension off it, or at least don't open the lock from a butterfly disc. But you have to go to this disc and open the lock from there. Yeah, that's 8950. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.